Every single minute, computers across the world collect millions of gigabytes of data. What can you do to make sense of this mountain of data? How do data scientists process this wealth of information and use it in the applications that power our modern world? Data is the fuel for the digital age. It powers machine learning and artificial intelligence. Data scientists use this fuel to conduct research, find results, and communicate their findings. You will leverage the power of Python and apply it to real-life data science problems. You will explore applications in various domains, hone your intuition for the theory underlying these methods, and consider different ways of verifying your models to identify and reduce potential biases. Job prospects for data scientists are growing, and the knowledge and skills gained from these courses will open up your world to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Learn data science and process the fuel that powers our modern world.